How to cancel DoorDash DashPass subscription. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to cancel your DashPass subscription on DoorDash. Whether it's your monthly plan or if you are just on the trial period, the process is the same. Make sure to follow it until the end. First thing you have to do is open up your DoorDash and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you have different options at the bottom of your screen. Find the account section or the Me tab at the bottom right corner. Then you'll find something called Manage the Dash Pass. If you have your Dash Pass activated, you will see this option. Go ahead and tap on this one. And then from here, you'll see when you have enrolled or when it's up valid up to. Then you'll see all of your payment details. All you have to do is find the cancel membership button right below change payment method and then tap on it. Now, DoorDash will ask you for the reason for the cancellation. Just select any reason and then tap on continue. Once you've done that, your cancellation will be successful. And now you've successfully canceled your DoorDash's DashPass subscription. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about the latest updates, and I'll catch you on the next one.